Let's face it, driving can be quite a hazardous experience. And despite our cars having some of the most sophisticated and high-tech collision avoidance systems, regrettably, accidents do happen. One of the major concerns motorists have after an accident is how they go about apportioning blame and how they translate that information to their insurance company. This is where a dashcam really does come into its own. With a dashcam fitted to your vehicle, you have an extra pair of eyes looking over you, with the camera providing an accurate account of the events leading up to the collision and of the collision itself, which may be used by the insurance companies to help apportion blame. Here at Wessex Garages, we're strong advocates for having one fitted to your vehicle, which is why we recommend this Nissan-approved Kenwood dashcam system, which can be fitted to any vehicle, including electric cars and vans. Approved by Nissan, it uses two high-definition cameras, one positioned on the front windscreen and the other on the rear, providing coverage to the areas most likely to be involved in an accident, that works as effectively in the day as it does in the night. Even when you're not in the car, the dashcam will continue operating in park mode, so that if you come back to your vehicle to find that someone has bumped it, the good news is your dashcam would have seen it. The dashcams are installed by our Nissan trained technicians, who position and fit each camera in accordance with the manufacturer's requirements, with the system hardwired into the car, meaning no ugly cables dangling over the dashboard and taking up valuable charging sockets. Every time you start your vehicle, the dashcam automatically powers up, which means once installed, you never need to do anything with it. You don't even have to do anything with the SD card, as this will automatically rewrite itself when it becomes full. In the unfortunate occurrence of an accident, the dashcam's inbuilt G-sensor automatically detects a collision, pinpointing the exact location with its inbuilt GPS system, recording the vehicle's speed before and during the accident. It then locks the recording to the SD card, preventing it from being overwritten, where the user can either download the footage from the card or via the app. With the footage secure, the contents of the card can be handed over to your insurance company to help ascertain who was at fault and any incidents that led up to the point of impact, which may help to speed up the claims process and the return of your insurance excess. At a very reasonable £399 supplied and fitted, this Kenwood dashcam is a must-have option for any new and used vehicle. You can even have one fitted when you bring your car in for a service or MOT. It doesn't take long to fit and can be done while you wait. For more information on our range of Nissan-approved dashcams, which start from as little as £220, please visit the Wessex Garages website. Alternatively, please visit us at our dealerships in Bristol, Gloucester, Newport and Cardiff to speak to any of our parts and accessory advisors who will be glad to help you.